Good morning, guys. I'm gonna cook chicken tinola for my meal today. I have ginger, garlic, onion, and my ginger. That's my ginger. That's my ginger. And I have papaya and spinach. Spinach is good for antioxidant, good for eye health and heart health, and to help the bone health, good for the bone, antioxidant and digestive, and also the papaya. This papaya, rich in vitamin C and fiber. The chicken is protein and mineral. And also this one is antioxidant, good for digestive system. And there is an content inside properties anti-cancer. This papaya. So that we have a hot chicken soup. May alaga stopping again because it's eating too much chocolate cake yesterday. And the ginger is good for the body. Also this one, the garlic and onion. You know that the garlic is natural antibiotic, and this one also is good for health. The ginger. Okay guys, thank you, good morning.